Incoming materials are received under ESD control to protect sensitive electronics.
Incoming quality checks verify that critical parts meet specifications before release.
The stencil printer is prepared to apply consistent solder paste volumes.
Accurate stencil alignment is critical for reliable solder joints. Microstep calibration is realistic before SMT printing begins.
Component feeders are verified to ensure the correct parts are placed.
Once approved, the line is released for continuous production.
Solder paste is precisely deposited to form reliable electrical connections. Automated placement ensures speed and micron-level accuracy.
Controlled reflow permanently bonds components to the board.
Controlled cooling stabilizes solder joints and prevents thermal stress. Automated optical inspection checks solder quality and component presence. Buffered work in progress balances line flow without risking damage. Depaneling separates individual boards without stressing components.
In-circuit testing verifies basic electrical integrity of each board.
Automated tests catch shorts, opens, and component value errors.
Functional testing confirms the board operates as designed. Key functions are validated before final assembly.
Approved boards are cleared for integration into finished products. Prepared enclosures enter final assembly in a controlled sequence.
The battery is installed with precise alignment for safety and longevity.
Controlled torque prevents damage while ensuring structural integrity. Optical modules are aligned precisely to maintain image quality. Adhesive application prepares the unit for secure display bonding. The display is bonded with precise alignment to ensure uniform sealing.
Controlled pressure ensures even adhesive curing and display flatness. A brief cure stabilizes the bonded display before handling.
Initial power on verifies basic system functionality.
User interface functions are validated through automated routines.
Wireless performance is verified in a controlled RF environment.
Speaker output is measured to meet acoustic specifications.
Charging behavior is verified to ensure safety and reliability.
Camera modules are validated for focus and color accuracy.
Only fully compliant units proceed to serialization.
Unique serialization links each unit to its full production history.
Compliance labels ensure the product meets global regulations.
Required documentation is added for end users and compliance.
Sealing protects the product until first opening.
Vision systems confirm packaging accuracy and readability.
Units are consolidated to streamline logistics.
Cartons are labeled for accurate distribution. Validated cartons rejoin the outbound flow without delay. Port buffering balances packing and palletizing rates. Automated palletizing ensures stable and repeatable loads. Wrapped pallets are protected from shifting and contamination. Pallet-level labels maintain shipment traceability. System-guided put-away ensures accurate inventory tracking. Electronic scrap is segregated for compliant recycling. Non-reusable waste is stored safely for licensed disposal. Staged pallets are prepared for efficient truck loading.
Sealing the trailer protects the shipment in transit.
Dispatched shipments move finished products toward global distribution.
Reusable carriers are cleaned and prepared for the next cycle.
Prepared trays reduce waste and support efficient reuse.
Here, efficiency is up by 2 points in the last shift. The balanced line is working.
Preventive maintenance keeps automated lines stable and accurate. Packaging plastics are recycled to reduce environmental impact.
Only verified boards are released back into normal flow.
Verified boards support uninterrupted final assembly. Error-proofing prevents hidden assembly defects.
Buffered flow keeps end-of-line testing balanced.
End-of-line testing confirms readiness after all assembly steps.
Stress testing verifies stability under operating limits. Completed units are digitally closed in the production system.
Random audits validate ongoing process control.
Protective films prevent cosmetic damage during shipping. Automated checks confirm all required items are included.
Proper closure prepares the package for final sealing.
Outer wrapping adds tamper resistance and surface protection. Weight verification confirms complete and correct packing.
Aligned boxes ensure reliable downstream automation.
Retail units are consolidated into shipping cartons.
Sealed cartons protect products during bulk transport. Date and batch codes support downstream traceability and recalls. Automated inspection confirms packaging quality before palletizing. Controlled infeed ensures stable pallet building. Each pallet is built to a defined, repeatable pattern. Layer compression improves pallet stability during transport. Final pallet height is verified to meet transport limits. Reinforced wrapping secures the full pallet for shipping. Weight verification ensures safe handling and transport compliance. Outbound labels link pallets to shipping documents.
Staged pallets await scheduled loading windows.
Controlled movement protects workers and products during loading.
Proper dock loading ensures safe transport conditions.
Seals protect shipment integrity until destination receipt.
A disciplined outbound flow completes the production cycle.
Reset docks maintain safety and readiness for the next load.
Operational records support continuity across shifts.
Consolidated waste awaits licensed collection. Archive data preserves long-term traceability and compliance.
The new components running smoothly through the feeder.
Yes, everything is within tolerance.